guys, today I'm going to cook a small beef rib roast on the Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I told you this was small. It's probably more like a thick steak. It's probably 2 steaks actually. Anyways, this is 2.84 pounds. It was $9.99 per pound, so $28.37 for this. Still pretty expensive. So it's good in the crock pot. That's kind of an expensive piece of meat to cook in the crock pot though. So anyway, let's see what this looks like here. Get it apart. Yeah, like I said, that's like probably two steaks. So I'm just going to season it up on the outside with kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. You've seen me use this a lot. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Flip it over and do the other side. I'm just going to let that sit on the counter while I go get the grill ready. Now I got the cobwebs dusted off of the Weber here, so let's get it lit. That's a paper towel soaked in cooking oil that I'm using to get the charcoal lit. This is Royal Oak lump charcoal, and this is the slow and sear that I'm using to hold it. It has a water reservoir, but I'm not going to put any water in that for this. So I filled it maybe halfway full with charcoal. I don't think this will take a real long time to cook. I'm not sure how long, but we'll just kind of figure it out as we go. So as soon as the coals look good, we'll get that meat on there. My charcoal is starting to burn pretty good in the spot where I lit it. This Royal Oak lump charcoal gets pretty hot. It burns pretty hot. I don't want to cook this too hot. I think I'm going to try to keep the temperature around 275 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to cook it indirect. I'll put it over, on this side, and we'll just get that going. I'll leave the vents wide open for now, and then I'll kind of adjust them down as the fire gets hotter. Been about half an hour. The grill's running 295 degrees Fahrenheit. Top vent is wide open, and the bottom vent is opened about a half an inch. It's been 45 minutes, and the grill temperature's up to 320 degrees now, so let's take a look. All right, I think I'm gonna turn it over now. Okay, there we go. And what I'm gonna do now is I have an oven meat thermometer here, so I'm put that right in the center of it. I used to have one of those wireless thermometers, but I don't know, I think it got tossed when I moved or something. I don't have it anymore. Put it at kind of an angle like that, I guess. And this works fine. The only bad part about these is you have to keep taking the lid off to check the temperature, or those wireless ones you don't. Anyway, I'll let it cook for a while like that, probably till the internal temperature gets to around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and then maybe I'll sear it a little bit on the outside. It's been an hour and 25 minutes, and the internal temperature of my meat is 120 degrees Fahrenheit now, and I'm shooting for 130, so I think I'm going to pull this out and sear it now. That'll give me about 10 degrees, because the temperature is going to still keep climbing when I sear it, so I have to turn the grill around this way. Okay. This thing's flaming up pretty good. It's pretty hot, so don't have to leave it on there too long. Just kind of keeping an eye on it. This has been resting for about 15 or 20 minutes, so let's cut it in half and see what the inside looks like here. That looks pretty good. Nice and pink throughout. Looks good to me. Sliced off a little bite-sized piece. Let's try it out. That's good. It's fairly tender. It's got a nice smoky flavor. I stuck my quick read thermometer in the center of it before I cut it, and it was at 125. So it was a little bit below my target of 130, but I would rather err to the rare side with beef. I'd rather have it a little bit more rare than dry it out and overcooked. I don't like it dry and overcooked. So, but it's your meat, so do whatever you want. Annie ought to like this. Got a nice little end piece with some fat on it there. Want to try it, Annie? Inhaled. When you sear the meat at the end like that, rather than at the beginning, it always seems to come out juicier in my experience. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.